and it's still winter. Today we're gonna make blueberry fruit snack. So let's pick the blueberries. Good thing we froze these in August. Let's go in and make some fruit snacks. Let's thaw them with warm water.
We're using a quick and easy freezer jam recipe provided inside our box of Shore Gel Pectin for low or no sugar recipes.
Blend the berries into a puree. Delicious. You close your eye, you can taste the sunshine. Is it done yet?
Not yet.
We have 4 cups of blueberry puree. Add 1 cup of water and 2 cups of sugar to a saucepan. And then sugar. Whoa, it's a whole piece of mountain.
Don't forget the other one.
Let's see what it does. Also add short gel sticks in the pink box. Bring it to the boil.
Boil the sugar, water, and pectin for 1 minute, turn off the heat, and then mix in your fruit puree. You can quickly make any flavor adjustments needed at this time.
That's sweet. But not as sweet as these. So if you are used to these, add more sugar. Ladle it into a dehydrator tray.
Our dehydrator ironically quit working during this video, so we ended up drying our fruit snacks on the silicone dehydrator trays inside our oven. To do this, we put the oven-safe trays in the oven, turned the oven on to 170 degrees Fahrenheit, and then turned it off as soon as it reached temperature. We kept the oven door closed and the fruit trays inside to keep the oven warm, and in about an hour, we again turned the oven on to 170 degrees Fahrenheit and then turned it off again as soon as it reached temperature. We did this a total of 3 times before leaving it in the oven for the next 16 hours.
We dehydrated it overnight. And now it's ready. Yum!
You can roll up your fruit leather and parchment paper and transfer it to an airtight container for long-term storage.
It's delicious, Mom. It's the best in the whole world.
I hope you enjoy this recipe. And if you're interested in making a chewy fruit snack with a little more bite, check out our gelatin-based recipe here. Thanks for watching.